Okay, I'm doing flour, she's doing sugar.
So she's a pussy and can't do sugar.
Yeah,
I don't know if I can fit all this stuff out. Cheers. To the fact that I'm fat, you're not.
Fat, awesome.
1, 2, go. I can't even fit this in my mouth. I can't do it.
Grandma, no.
I don't stick yet.
Do it like you're sucking dick.
Oh my nose. It's under my tongue.
That's disgusting. What man wants that?
Yeah, follow me on Twitter.
Choking on my stomach on Quisha.
Wait, get close up. Oh, you my lips though.
What the fuck? What are you doing?
Hashtag ashy lips.
Ashy lips is so.
Nah, you got rabies.
And done.
Really, Kaylee? Man, we gotta do another challenge for you, bro.
Sugar. I don't know why the fuck you chose to do flour. Flour's dry. Put sugar and some taste.